It's Shoutout Sunday, and if you want to see who I'm giving love to today, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. If you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see product reviews about things that you can use in your home, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and garden solutions. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, so let's jump into the shout outs. Let me grab my notes. First of all, I want to give a subscriber shout out, and this subscriber shout out this month goes to Larry Debbie, to Debbie of Larry Debbie, I should say. Debbie is always right there making comments on every video, and they're very thoughtful and intuitive, and I really appreciate that. So Debbie, kudos to you for being one of my most ardent supporters this month. I really appreciate you. It just really means a lot to us creators when we know that the things that we create, the videos that we create, are valuable to our viewers. So again, thank you not only to Debbie, but to all of you. So I really do appreciate that. Now let's look at YouTuber shout outs. One of the things that I'm trying to do with these Shoutout Sundays is just highlight some of the channels that I've been following or that I enjoy. Some of them are new and trying to get established, and some of them are fairly well established, but maybe you don't know about them yet. So I thought, let me give a shout out to some of these guys. So here we go. So my first shout out goes to Create with Cindy, and Cindy likes to do DIY, she does tablescape, she does thrifting, she does hauls, and she loves to do challenges. So please check out Create with Cindy, and I will link her channel below. And the other one I want to give is my sister Sanov at Sanov Beautiful Gems. And Sanov has really done a 360 in what she's been doing on her channel. She's now more about empowerment and self-care and loving yourself. So be sure and check her out, and I will link her below as well. But it's Sanov's Beautiful Gems. And if you want to learn how to love yourself, she is the girl that can surely help you sort that out. The other, another YouTuber that I want to give a shout out to is my girl Bella at Bella D Designs. She is so funny and just so full of energy, so full of life. I just love her. And this girl has a serious shopping issue. She is a self-declared shopaholic. She has no shame, and she don't mind letting you know. She says, in a minute, I love to shop. And then she shares with us what she gets, and she gets some fantastic bargains. She's in Canada, and it's really interesting to see the things that she picks up in Canada compared to the things we get here, or if there's a shop there that's similar to the one that we have here, what she finds in Canada compared to what we might be able to find in the States. But you will love her. She does shopping hauls, and I mean shopping hauls. But she also likes to do beauty, and she's just a lot of fun. You will love her. So check out Bella D Designs. Another one that I want you to check out is My Happy Home. And at My Happy Home, she likes DIY, she likes home decor, she loves thrifting, and she loves to do challenges. You will find her doing many of them. So check out My Happy Home. And then the last shout out for today is for my girl Jessica at Jessica Measure and Mix. Jess is one of the DIY queens. I don't know how she can be so creative, but she always has so many good ideas about things that you can create in your home or things that you can do yourself. So be sure and check out Jess at Jessica's Measure and Mix. Okay, now let me give a few announcements. And one of the announcements that I want to give, first of all, is that I hit 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Woo! Woohoo! I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I will have my 1,000 subscriber giveaway coming up, and I will create a video with all the details. So be on the lookout for that. And then I thought I'd also give you guys a list of the challenges that I am aware of. I am just not getting my notifications. I have been missing everything. I missed Kenya's challenge that was up, the fall dupe, and I would have loved to have done that one because I've seen something at Pier 1 that I would love to have, but right now I just can't put the ducats down on it. So we'll see if I still get around to doing that. But I missed that one, and there's a couple others that I just missed because I didn't get the notification. So these are the ones that I know about, so I'm going to share it with you. First of all, there's my own challenge, the Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge. I'm getting tongue-tied. First of all, there's my Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge that's coming up. And this is the one where you create a kitchen vignette on a tray for your either kitchen table, kitchen counter, or kitchen island. And you use a plate, floral decor, and fall floral decor, and something with words on it, and you put this on a tray, and it's something that you would use to beautify your kitchen for the fall. So I will link the explanatory video below and in an iCard above. And oh, I forgot, my Fall Kitchen Vignette, the upload date for my Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge is September 11th. So I wanted to make sure you have that information. So check out the info video that's linked below. And then this one I just happened to run across, and it was just a fun one. It's called the Pancake Palooza, and it is hosted by Just Jess. And it was just fun. What she wants to do is she's hosting like a pancake festival, but she's calling it a Pancake Palooza, where you just try out different toppings on your pancakes. And she wants to know what kind of toppings would you use at your house other than the regular butter and syrup. So I will be posting my video to that challenge in the next couple of days. But I'm encouraging all of you to join in because this one was just fun. It was quick, it was easy, there was no pressure. It was just fun. And my husband got a pancake lunch out of it, so he was enjoying that. So be sure and jump in on that one, and I will link it below. There was no real deadline associated with that, so I will link her video below so that you can check it out, and hopefully you'll decide that sounds like fun and you'll join in too. And then this next set of challenges is from Arlene's Country Craft Corner, and she has 3 fall challenges coming up. She has the Fall Cozy Corner on September 12th, the Fall Tiered Tray Challenge on September 19th, and the Fall Lantern Centerpiece Challenge on September 26th. So these are all Wednesdays. So once you start in her challenges, you know the next Wednesday there's another one, and the next Wednesday there's another one. So these are some really great challenges to jump into. And for those of you that are new and just getting established, if you ask yourself, well, why do I want to do any of these challenges? Well, it's a way to get new eyeballs on your channel, because you will get people looking at your channel and your video from someone else's channel family, so to speak, that you might not ever come across, but they happen to see your video in the playlist. So I encourage you to jump in on some of those if they sound interesting to you. So again, that's Arlene's Country Craft Corner with 3 coming up: Fall Cozy Corner on September 12th, Fall Tiered Tray on September 19th, and Fall Lantern Centerpiece on September 26th. Now the Holiday Cookie Diva has 5 challenges coming up that I am pretty sure about, and there may even be a couple more. So you'll want to go to her channel and check it out just for clarification. But I do know on September 8th, she's got the Cute and Cozy Fall Treats and Snacks. So that is where you arrange some fall treats and snacks on a tray. So that's the Cute and Cozy Fall Treats and Snacks, September 8th. The Autumn Tray Challenge, and on this one you just arrange fall decor on a tray for your home. You can choose the room, and that is September 15th. The Plaid Tablescape Challenge, where you have to use some kind of a plaid, either a tablecloth or dishes, or somehow some kind of plaid has to be in it, and that is September 21st. A Thrift Store Flip, which needs to deploy on September 28th. And this is where you go to a thrift store and you get some item that needs love, and then you flip it, or, you know, zhuzh it up and make it useful and presentable again. And then there's the Halloween Front Porch Challenge. And the Halloween Front Porch Challenge is you decorate your porch for Halloween. I am not sure of the date for that, so you'll have to check her channel for that. Now this last challenge or open invite comes from Easy Living with Elle and Create with Cindy, and they are hosting an around the world tablescape. And what they want us to do is to create a tablescape from somewhere in the world that we're interested in, and then just tell a little bit about it. So I will link that explanatory video below so that you can check it out as well. And the upload date for that one is September 15th. So there you have it. Those are the challenges that I'm aware of this month. If you know of any more challenges and I didn't list them, please let me know. If they're after the ones, well, let me know, and if I can get them in my next shout out, I will. And if I miss that deadline, then so be it. But like I said, I am not getting my notifications, and I figure if I'm missing notifications, you guys are probably missing notifications too, and you may be appreciative of getting this information. So let me know if you know of any upcoming challenges. I might want to jump in, or I just might share them with you. And then also, let me let you know too that this is National Infant Mortality Awareness Month. So I want to make sure that everyone is aware that there are things that we can do to prevent infant mortality, and one of those includes safe sleep environments. Many of the deaths, premature deaths of infants below the age of 12 months occur from unsafe sleep environments, and so those deaths are preventable. So I will link a little public service announcement in regards to that below, and I will also link the SIDS awareness or infant mortality link below also, so that if you want to check it out for more information, you can do that. Safe sleep habits are a critical part of caring for an infant and can lower your baby's risk of death. Your baby should sleep on his or her back in a safety-approved crib in your room for at least the first 6 months. Keep pillows, bumper pads, and other toys or blankets out of the crib to avoid suffocating your baby. And use a pacifier for the first year. For more information about safe sleep, call the number on your screen. You could save your baby's life. So there you have it. Those are my shout outs and announcements for the week, and I hope you enjoyed those, and let me know if you find this beneficial. Tell me in the comment section below. And here's my question for you. Which one of these challenges do you think you're gonna jump in on? I should say which two, because you better all be jumping in on mine, on my fall kitchen vignette, and then jump in on at least one or two of the other ones. And they're just fun. And one of my viewers wanted to know, well, wants me to do a video on how I transition my home for summer, or rather, one of my viewers wants to know how I transition my home for fall. And one of the things I do is I participate in these challenges, and they kind of help me begin to get some of my decor together. So this is a good way for you to begin if you have not yet started. So anyway, I'm starting to ramble, so it's time to wrap this up. Just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.